Hi, my name is Venkatesh and I'm an engineer on the Google Web Designer team. In this demo, I want to show you how to publish files from Google Web Designer or GWD to your Google Drive account. For the purpose of this demo, let me use a file that I already have here. It's called demo.html. It is a simple file with a swipe gallery in it. A swipeable gallery has a few images inside of it, and at the bottom I have a few divs that are just colored differently. So to publish this content to Google Drive, I click the publish option here, and specifically I pick the publish to Google Drive option. So the first thing you notice is a Google login account page. So Google Web Designer uses Google Drive API underneath to publish your files to Drive. Let me go ahead and log in here. And you notice two things. One is the publish dialog itself, and on the top right corner you see the email address or the account that is being used right now. In the publish dialog, on the left side is the summary of the ad. On the right side are the settings. The first setting is the name. This is what the folder would be called in Google Drive. You can change it to whatever we need. I will leave it as demo for now. The location box, when I click on it, I can pick a folder into which I can upload. Here, let me pick this folder called uploaded from GWD. So now, when I click the publish button, on the bottom right you see a progress bar for different files, and it happened pretty quickly, and you see a success message on the top. Now in my browser I'll go to my Google Drive account and make sure that it really got uploaded. I'll click on the uploaded from GWD folder, and inside, as we expected, there's the demo folder. If I click on the demo folder, what you see here is one index.html file and 4 images, PNG images. Now let me go back to Google Web Designer. So that was pretty straightforward. The next feature I want to show is how to switch accounts. If I click on my email address, you see the switch accounts option. I click on it. Here I can add another account. Let me add another demo account I have here. So what you see here are OAuth permissions. I'll click accept, and on the top right you see that the email address has changed to GWD demo, and this is the account I'm using now. If I want to publish this ad to this account, I simply go ahead and click the publish button. I can pick this account, and this familiar OAuth screen, what it is asking for now are OAuth permissions to access your Google Drive account on your behalf. So if I accept, we come back to the publish dialog. This time I'll just, instead of calling it demo, I'll just call it demo 2. And for the location, as I showed you previously, I can either pick an account or I can leave it empty, in which case it will get uploaded to the Drive top level folder, or I can enter any name I want and the folder with that name would be created. So let me go ahead and publish, and in the bottom right you see progress dialogs for different files, and it was successfully published. Let me go back to my Drive account in the browser. I'll open another browser window since this is a different account, and log in. So you will notice that a folder called demo folder was created, and within that folder is the demo2 that I uploaded. And clicking in shows me the index.html and the images that were part of the ad. So let me go back to the Google Web Designer window. So as I showed you, it's very straightforward to publish any content that you create in Google Web Designer to Google Drive. And also, you can easily switch between different accounts you have and publish to any account you want. That's all I have for this demo. Thank you for watching this video.